we are going on the Belle of Louisville, which is the only paddle boat in America. And yes, so basically it has a spinning paddle on the back of it. And it's a 2-hour little excursion. We're going with our good sister Hannah, Mama San, and our friend Purnima is meeting us there.
Yes.
Hey there with the Lamppineers.
Why don't you bring that water?
I don't think we're allowed.
Thank you. Alright guys, busy. Okay, we're gonna call Purnima. Hey Purnima, we're here. Okay, you're coming? Right. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for you. Alright, bye. Okay, I just called Purnima. Purnima is on her way here. I don't know where my husband is. So here we're getting tickets for the boat. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I am excited. I've seen this before, but it's still fun doing it again.
Really? Is it your second time?
No, I went with John.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
She made it! Hi! Hello again. It's been a long time.
I know, I haven't seen you now. Oh my god, how are you? Oh, I literally ran here, alright?
It was so funny watching her coming down. I was like, I can't tell if that's her. I remember her being taller, but she is really making bank.
Yeah, I was
time.
like, yeah! You know, because there was a big line to get in parking here, so I parked like in the building in front. It's a walk.
Wow.
It's a big walk.
Say hi.
Hi!
Alright, they're gonna check our bags.
This is really, really cool. In fact, the last time we came, they would play the horns like a musical instrument. It was like a piano.
Is that why I need earplugs?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Belle of Louisville.
Do you think we can go like on the upper area?
I don't know.
Is there like an upper area?
I don't think so.
Like an upper?
I think that's just a roof.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Are we moving already?
Yeah, we are.
I can't tell. Oh my god. It's like it seems like we're moving, but are we really moving?
I know, it's like so smooth.
This is the most smooth ride I've ever been on. Like when you have, and I think it's because of the paddle wheel. Because when you have a turbine, you feel that rumble.
So, Bubby,
Yo.
are we gonna come back to where we came from?
So about that, no, we're gonna sail off into the sunset, never come back. Probably should have told you about that. No, we'll come back and we'll circle around and come back the way
So
that we
that's why
came.
it's gonna take like 2 hours.
I mean, it'll take 2 hours because they want to entertain you.
Right. I don't see any entertainment though. This is the entertainment. Do you
Are you
work here?
entertained?
Slightly.
Slightly? Alright, that's all it takes. Just a slight amount of entertainment to keep you from leaving, but not enough to make you insanely happy for being here.
What do we do? Play something.
So if you could just entertain me.
This is Molly, Elijah's
This
wife.
is Purnima.
Elijah's friend. This is
Hannah.
Elijah's sister.
Alright, I'm glad everything relates to Elijah. As it should.
All the women in your life.
What are you on?
We're on the Belle of Louisville.
And how does that relate to me?
Oh, Elijah took us. Elijah invited us.
There we go.
Yeah, was it your plan or was it Hannah's plan?
That was my plan.
Elijah's plan.
Actually, it was my dad's plan.
Really?
Awesome.
Yeah,
That's
Dad suggested it, but I was like, oh yeah, I probably should do that before we
It's
leave.
feeling nice, right?
It is.
With the wind. And the sun is not too bad either.
Yes.
We're giving a weather
glad.
report.
Yeah, it's really windy, breezy.
Alright.
Can we get some
Sweaty.
Or did I hit
Your
you?
turn.
No, you guys are good. I'm just like, oh, I wish I had long hair like
You have everything moves in slow motion. Oh. Oh my God, this is a walking bridge, right?
Yes.
Have you been here?
Yeah.
So pretty in the night.
It is, and they got the music.
Elijah, you need to bring me at night.
Yeah, you need to bring her at night. Come before like 2 because they'll shut down the lights at 2.
You haven't been?
I've been, but we didn't cross it because Elijah was like
Elijah was being lazy.
lazy. Yeah.
No, I thought you didn't want to cross it.
Did you ask?
I did actually.
Yeah, but you were like so negative. He was like,
I was like, is this the same thing?
it's so
We're gonna
boring.
cross this
Like
and
he
he's
just
coming back.
crossed
No,
it.
it's not the same thing. It's not the same thing.
Marianne, remember her? When I brought her to this walking bridge, Marianne and Fred, they're like my godparents. When I brought her to this walking bridge, she was so excited. She was like, I gotta go. And she's like in her 70s.
Elijah didn't have energy of a 70-year-old. Sad Elijah. Sad
Oh,
Elijah.
you're right.
More energy than 70.
More lies. More
I don't
lies.
know what you guys are talking about. It's 3 against
And it's
1.
on camera.
I'm outnumbered.
Yes.
I have to record this. Elijah promised me to.
I'm gonna take you on that walking bridge at night, all the way across, with a stupid amount of energy.
That's good.
It's gonna be outrageous.
Oh my heavens.
I'm gonna be like on speed or something.
Is it gonna ruin my experience?
It might ruin other people's experience.
Okay.
Heh, 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 heh.
So like I've been on plenty of
Water trains.
boat rides in the Philippines, and it always makes my
What?
we got interrupted. I've been on plenty of boat rides before in the Philippines. It makes your skin feel sticky after or like even on the boat ride, but here it's not because it's a river, and so the air is light.
You don't have the saltwater air.
Yeah, it's really nice. It feels fresh.
Seriously, I don't wear no jewelry. Because I feel like if I wear it, then I start like playing with it, and I've lost 2 rings already.
That's me exactly. That's why I don't wear watches
yeah,
or
and
rings.
so
Like
watch,
this is the only ring that I can stand.
Yeah.
It's silicone.
But-
yeah.
Have like a piercing.
But see, this one's silicone.
It was
so
because
doesn't-
Mom
see,
told
if I
me
work out or
that
something, it doesn't
we were not supposed to pierce our body or get tattoos. And later on in life, I realized, I think I will I don't need to have a pierced ear.
Yeah.
And I would save a lot of money by not having pierced ears. Because otherwise I'd be buying like so many earrings. I can't take, like right now, I'd be wearing very heavy earrings.
Yeah, like me.
chains.
I have like lots of earrings.
See, like I love buying earrings for you. No.
People are just fun.
So badly, I can feel it.
Not with this.
All I can say is that they have really good taste in music. Actually gonna dance. Oh my heavens.
The largest controlled arson in the world.
us. Come with us. Come with us.
Oh, I killed her.
I need a back scratch. Thanks, love. Married life.
Are you filming us getting out of the restroom?
You guys need to check out this restroom. It's beautiful. Let me show you.
Okay.
Voila. Isn't this cool?
It's
Now
so
look,
like old-fashioned.
I love the way it's shaped.
Nice.
We can go out from here.
Are you sure?
It was so cool. And I was telling him about it, so he's been wanting to like look around. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay.
Is it 100 years old, boat? I think Hannah said it's 100 years old. This boat? Yeah.
Worked in bygone years.
Most, yes. Almost all, yeah.
So how old is this one?
This is 1914, so 105.
So, wow, it's 105 years old. So have they refitted or replaced the engine since then, or are these the originals?
I think in the past, one of the pistons had some work done on it. Besides that, the only thing that had been done happened about 5 years ago.
Next stop will be... Where are we going?
World Fest.
World
2019.
Fest. What did you learn with your talk?
Oh, well, Hannah and I got, well, especially me, I got to learn all about how the engine works, and I was really excited because I knew a lot of the concepts and a lot of the components that he was going to mention. And so he got a chance to like explain it in more detail than what I would know. Because all I have is like an academic knowledge of it. And he knows like the finer details of working with it
Wow.
hands-on. Something I learned that was really cool is the, you know how when in like the Titanic movie,
Yeah.
how they have that speed thing where they do full speed or half speed or
Oh,
whatever, and they go
yeah.
ding, 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 like that. You'll have to show that on the video. So that thing itself does not control the engines. What that does is that sends a message down to the engineering room, and it tells them to speed up the boat or to put it in reverse. And so on this ship, when the captain changes that dial, it sends a message down to the engineers who accept the message and let them know that the captain know that they got it. And then they have their own version that they send to the boiler room to increase the fuel going to the boiler. And then the engineers will change how the steam comes in to power the turbine. Or not the turbine, but the actuators, which turn the paddle wheel.
Yes, guys. If you understood that, congratulations.
That's pretty cool.
It's all engineering stuff. So, if you understood that, I'm proud of you. It was all gibberish to me. So.
Gibberish.
No like's gonna like this. Do you like it?
I do.
I just know his taste.
What's the price?
Like, what? It's not even new. Hannah, you need to stop drinking. She says you need to stop drinking.
I'm afraid it's gonna be too small.
He'll do it.
5 to 10
All
pounds.
you gotta do is walk and you don't have to do the sit-up. Just lay on the floor in your back and
I'll let you know if I have to drop
Hopefully
my mom and
tomorrow.
pick her up, okay?
All right,
Bye.
that's
Bye.
fine.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna walk to the food.
We're waiting for Elijah's mom to pick us up. We're all tired.
Hello, hello. We are tired and hot and grody and had a great time. And
At
starving.
least we had a good time.
I
All right.
quit drinking so I can fit the rest of it.
Yes.
That was
It's
so
bad for you in so many more ways than one.
Alright, let's end the vlog. Do you want to help me end the vlog, everybody?
How do we end the vlog? So long.
Farewell,
Auf Wiedersehen to you.
goodbye, adieu,
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 to you and you and you.
That was a really good song.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you all for watching.